Thank you very much for inviting us here. It's a real pleasure to be here on a joint stand together with LMW. As Kluthe, we are a chemical manufacturer producing metalworking fluids, cooling lubricants, neat oils, cleanup, water-based and solvent-based, and rust preventatives. And the factor of the cooling lubricant is one that can really help manufacturer to get more productive. We're producing in Heidelberg in Germany. We are German-based, and we also have an operation in India, Kluthe, India, with a manufacturing site in Pune.
I would like to ask you, what is your feeling about LMW machines?
When we first came to the Indian market, we saw the large presence that LMW has nowadays. And we very quickly found it to be very precise and very robust machinery. So years back, we were tremendously impressed by the robustness and by the accuracy of the machinery. And we quickly started to have first customers together in the field, where our Accu-Form cooling lubricants were running on LMW machines. And we found it to be a very, very good combination. So we are happy to have the cooperation grown since this point until today.
Sathiya Narayanan sir, now that I asked Daniel, about his lubricants and LMW machine, asked him to speak about LMW machines, I would like to ask you, Kluthe and the coolant, how successfully it is working in your machines?
So, first of all, we tested extensively in our machines for a period of more than 8 months in our factories. And now we have implemented this coolant in very critical areas and of course all throughout our factories. And we have seen these advantages, particularly with respect to, the coolant handling by operators, the kind of, the comfort that operator has when he is working with the coolant, the life of the coolant, particularly the life of the coolant. You see, when you use a proper coolant, not only your component accuracies and the finish will come, but it's also about something that how operator handles and about how you consume it. The good coolant stays for a longer time, which means it is going to cost less. So we strongly now started recommending Accu-Form coolant along with our machines to the Indian customers in the Indian industry. And now we have a cooperation that we are working together to all our customers, giving this wonderful product.
Kluthe being a German company,
Yes,
you should be having your R&D center here.
exactly.
Nevertheless, is there any plans for you to establish a R&D center back in India?
In our Indian facility in Pune, we are also operating a laboratory because being close to the Indian market and to the real conditions is for us crucial to deliver good products and good service.
Thank you, Daniel, for being with us. Thank you,
very much.
Sathiya, sir.
Thank you.
Educating us on lubricants.